Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Let's braise potatoes and chicken with red wine today. This dish is delicious and is easy to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Consuming foods and beverages rich in polyphenols, such as red wine, has long been associated with reduced risk of heart disease. Red wine has the power to protect the lining of blood vessels in the heart while also boosting HDL or good cholesterol, which helps your body flush out bad cholesterol. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are chicken wings, onion, potatoes, red wines, and ginger. Marinate chicken with salt, pepper, and ginger. Powder for 30 minutes. Potato peel off skin and cubes. Soak potatoes cubes in cold water. Soaking potatoes in water helps remove excess starch. Excess starch can inhibit the potatoes from cooking evenly as well as creating a gummy or sticky texture on the outside of your potatoes. Cold water is used because hot water would react with the starch, activating it, making it harder to separate from the potatoes. Chopped ginger. Sliced onion. Portion to adjust at own preference. From half bottle to 1 bowl. Stir fry chicken and chopped ginger until fragrant with slightly golden brown. Flip chicken and let it cook. Flip after a few minutes and repeat the step until chicken are golden brown. slices, and potatoes cubes. Red wine and appropriate amount of water and simmer until the juice is reduced. Cover and simmer. Remember to stir fry occasionally to prevent the bottom from burning. Add 1 tablespoon sugar to taste. Stir fry until the juice is reduced and the potato pieces are cooked through. Place potatoes on plate and chicken on top. Delicious red wine winglets and potatoes is done. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Another major nutrient in potatoes is potassium, an electrolyte which aids in the workings of our heart, muscles, and nervous system. Brimming with skin-benefiting antioxidants like flavonoids, resveratrol, and tannins, red wine fights the signs of aging by restoring the collagen in the skin. Those who prefer drinking red wine over other spirits will have less prominent wrinkles, fine lines, and saggy skin. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future.